Sometimes you might have an issue where your lights go off or an outlet stops working for your receptacles. When that's the case, it's time to check the breaker box. So the first place we're gonna check is gonna be the breaker panel. All of our breaker panel boxes are typically located in the garage where we are right now. When we get to the breaker panel box, we wanna carefully open it using that button right there. And then we can open it up and we'll see that we've got labels for each breaker showing where these breakers control the power. We can see that everything is turned to the right or to the left in the on position, depending on which side of the breaker panel we're talking about. This obviously looks like our problem area. You can see that the breaker is switched to the left in the off position. So the breaker, if it's ever tripped, you're gonna see it in the left position or in the middle position, not in line like the other ones. So we're gonna simply turn it back on, and there we go. We should have power inside. If that doesn't solve your problem, go on your portal and submit a maintenance request, and we'll send somebody from our team out to solve the issue like that.